Hello, this is Chad Fox from Not 10 Yacht Sales. Featured is a 1987 Viking 48 Sportfish Convertible. As we head to the bow, you will find stored a dinghy, 15 horsepower Tohatsu motor, dinghy lift, windlass, and life raft. Next, we're going to take a look at the flybridge. Flybridge has plenty of rod holders, dual captain's chairs at the helm, some side seating, navigation equipment, GPS, chart plotter, radar, and forward of the helm is also plenty of seating for guests, and the flybridge is surrounded by an isinglass enclosure on 3 sides. And you can see the back deck and the flybridge have been resurfaced with synthetic teak, and there's a fishing chair. Now we'll enter the main salon. On the port side, you will have a convertible sofa, L-shaped with a sleeper. Very nice inlaid coffee table. The inside has been redone, recarpeted, is in excellent condition. In the salon, you will also find a Bose stereo system, and above the galley is a 42-inch flat screen TV. Next, we'll head into the galley. This is also on the port side of the boat. Countertops, backsplash, sink are new, with a nice stainless side-by-side refrigerator. On the starboard side of the kitchen will be your booth dinette. As we head down to the lower level, on the starboard side, the current owner has turned one of the closets into a fishing locker, equipment locker, Plenty of room for poles, tackle. However, all the equipment and personal items pictured are not included with the sale. And then to the port side is another storage closet. Heading forward on the port side, you will come to the guest berth with bunk beds and access to the guest head. Guest head is a dry head with separate stand-up shower. Forward of the guest head is the main master suite with centerline queen and its own private head. And finally, we're going to head down into the engine room where she has twin cat diesels. One engine was completely rebuilt. The other engine is new. Both engines have about 100 hours on them since the owner has purchased the boat, which the motors were replaced and rebuilt prior to the current owner's purchase. The genset is also located on this level, along with your filters, battery switches, and other main systems. Thank you very much for viewing, and hope to talk to you soon.